Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're diving into a product that promises to shake up your oral care routine. If you're looking for a fluoride-free toothpaste that works wonders for both gum health and enamel repair, then Boka Fluoride-Free Toothpaste with Nano Hydroxyapatite might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's break it down. This toothpaste isn't just any standard formula. It features the powerhouse ingredient Nano Hydroxyapatite, NHA, a key player in enamel remineralization. What does that mean for you? It's working to repair your enamel, strengthen your teeth, and brighten your smile, all while being completely free of fluoride, sulfates, parabens, and artificial flavors or colors. For anyone with sensitive teeth, this could be the gentle yet effective solution you've been searching for. From the moment you squeeze it onto your toothbrush, the Ela Mint flavor bursts through. It's not your run-of-the-mill mint. With an added twist of cardamom and antioxidant-rich green tea, it delivers a fresh, invigorating taste that feels luxurious every time you brush. No more bland toothpaste. This formula feels like a refreshing treat, not a chore. Plus, it's suitable for everyone in the family, making it a versatile choice for all ages. Now, onto the real-world experience. I've been using this toothpaste daily, and I've definitely noticed a smoother feel to my teeth. There's a subtle brightness that builds up over time, which is impressive for a toothpaste that doesn't contain fluoride. It's gentle enough that my gums didn't feel irritated, even after consistent use, which is a big win for sensitive mouths. I've even noticed that my overall gum health seems to have improved, which is great considering how important that is for long-term oral health. However, while I absolutely love the taste and how refreshing it feels, I did find that it doesn't have the intense foam I'm used to from traditional toothpastes. Some people may love this for its simplicity, but if you're someone who prefers more foam, that could be a downside. When it comes to value for money, Boka is definitely on the higher end. But when you consider the high-quality ingredients like Nano Hydroxyapatite and the fact that it's a product free from harsh chemicals, you start to see where that price comes from. It's designed to be more of a premium, health-focused product. For families looking for an eco-conscious, safe, and effective toothpaste, this is well worth the investment. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are a few other fluoride-free options out there, like Tom's of Maine or Himalaya, but those don't quite stack up in terms of remineralization with Nano Hydroxyapatite. So if enamel repair and gum health are priorities for you, Boka stands out. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek, easy to use, and feels high-end. Plus, the toothpaste lasts quite a while. Each 4-ounce tube in the 3-pack provides plenty of brushing power, making it a solid value in the long run. Finally, if you're considering this toothpaste, you're probably wondering if it lives up to the claims. I'd say it does. It's gentle, effective, and adds a touch of luxury to your daily oral care routine. While it may not create the foam or intense mintiness that some people are accustomed to, its benefits for sensitive teeth and enamel health make it a standout product. If this review has been helpful to you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so other beauty lovers can find this honest review too. Your support helps us keep making content like this. Thanks for watching. If you've tried Boka Fluoride-Free Toothpaste or any other product you love, drop a comment below and let me know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.